We got somebody landing with us here on the jump pad. Oh man, he's picking up a gun first too. Oh!
I dropped the shotgun right away when I realized what happened. I'm sorry.
Okay. Here, you take this.
Was that a real team or no?
I don't think so. I'm reloading. Nah, I don't think so. They weren't sliding, they weren't moving normally, they were just kind of...
Yeah. Yeah.
Kind of just there. I got more footsteps.
I'm with you.
Bot. Nice shot. Man, since we died just now at that last game, I just wanted to loot up and start back over and from the same spot again.
Okay, I'm gonna loot the back then, just to make it more faster. And literally, babe, as we were pulling up, what did I say? I said we gotta play it back, because we always lose those close fights. And that's the opposite of what I did.
Right. Oh. Just picked up a purple shotgun, or a gold frenzy.
Cool.
Yeah. I ain't seen one of those in a while.
It's been a minute. Pew.
Man, my stomach is mad at me right now.
Coming for that. I'm ready to go, boo.
Yep, let's roll. Going to Hard Island. Buy some shocks. I got hella gold.
I got gunfire over there. I do have a sniper.
Yeah, me too. I got a sharpshooter. I'm going straight to the lady to buy what's it called first.
Alright, I'm pushing with you.
105. Nice. We're fighting up top. Up here somewhere. I'm gonna wait for me if you can. I'm gonna take the jump pad after I buy some shocks.
Okay.
So we push at the same time and kind of stress them out. Damn, the shocks are 250. Wow. They'll get you.
Can you see me? I'm waiting for you.
Not yet. I'm running to the jump pad. I'm gonna take the jump pad.
Alright, just let me know when you do.
Okay. You know what? I'm gonna do this to kind of get their attention. Oh, they're bots.
What is that, a blue eagle eye or?
Iron Warrior.
No, thank you.
Let's go get the bounty boy. We got time though, I guess.
I'm gonna stay right here until you're ready to come, cause I'm not trying to push over there. on
Yeah.
myself.
You got 2 turrets?
Yes. Mhm.
I'm coming.
I have 2 shots right here for you.
I got 6 already.
Okay.
I need what you call it? Okay, I'm coming. I need flowberries. Let's go. I took a flowberry and then hit the jump pad. This is
Oh, you should
crazy.
have told me that. I was waiting for you.
My bad.
No, you're good.
I'm going to bounty board. I got a good view. No one's around. Wow, that was cool. So underrated.
So hungry.
Yeah, trust me, I know.
Should we take the train?
And imagine, that's not even a full day. Imagine.
Should we take the train?
It's up to you.
What scope does that gun have?
Sharpshooter, striker.
Let's take the, I'm hopping on the train.
I'm coming.
Train has not been looted. Here, you get these 2. I'll wait for the chest.
Covert ops. Hollow.
I guess.
Are we good as far as the... yeah, we're good. It's gonna turn back in. We got a Snooty Steps medallion on the train track in front of us.
Okay, good to know. Because they're probably gonna hop on with us.
That'd be funny. They know we're getting the thing. I'm going to the very back of the train.
I'm in the very front. Literally, they're still on the train tracks.
No, they're on the forecast now.
Gotcha. Okay, come get this loot.
Yep. I'm good. Only thing I need is a sniper. If there's a... Nope.
I had a great shotgun, so this was clutch.
Oh, they dropped the medallion up there. Because they got the storm forecast and then they left the medallion up there. That's what they did. Oh, you want to go get them?
I want to see what's happening. Oh, they're there.
Yeah.
They're right here.
Yeah.
I'm using this ledge right here. And that's also our bounty. No, that's a medallion. They picked up the medallion.
105. 105.
110. They have a bot.
They have 2 bots.
They're inside, rezzing. Nope, they're peeking right on the top of this hill. The house. They're peeking on the top of the house.
Yep, I saw one go down on the left now.
Are they trying to... Let me know if they push us, because I have a
I'm just
turret.
moving my thing.
I'm moving... I'm flanking a little left.
They could be going up this hill. Be careful.
I'm looking. I got eyes
Maybe
on the
we
hill.
leave. Yep.
We're getting shot behind us.
Yeah, we are. That's one knocked. I got the ones behind us, don't worry. I got the one behind us, wait.
The ones behind the medallion left.
Okay, I'm worried about the medallion.
They left.
He's a real player. He's behind
They
the
left
tree.
because they're over here now. They left.
We
They
should
went
go
to
push them. They're not that good.
They went to push the... Hold on, let me get this loot.
Okay, also we should chase them because they have storm forecast.
Okay,
So
so
wherever they're going is where we should put ourselves.
can you give me like 20 seconds? Just gonna get this loot real quick.
Yeah.
Where'd he die?
Where
Where'd he
did
die?
they go, you said?
Oh, you see them on the map. They have the medallion.
They're too far. It doesn't show.
No?
I don't see
They're on my
anybody.
red marker. The red marker is where I saw it last.
Oh, I see it now. I see it now. They're on the other storm forecast.
Yeah, yeah.
All right, let's go get them.
Reload on everything.
Maybe they left some loot over here. Oh yeah, they left the Peter Griffin shotgun.
All you.
Yeah, I'm good.
A blue shotgun if you have one.
Evil Joe. I got a purple. I got a gold. How'd they get there that fast? Oh, they had the G-Wagon.
I'm not with you. I hope you know that.
Yeah, I just...
Oh, okay. I didn't want you to think I was in the car with you.
Oh, there's somebody here. $105.
The other one's back here.
Hey, they see us on the kill feed. What up? Here, you're not collecting your pebbles.
I did. I tried to pick it up. It didn't let me.
Oh. Man, I'm not familiar with this POI at all. I want to get out of here.
Reload everything. The medallion's still above there, up there.
Yeah.
They killed the bots because the card is still up there.
Yeah, bounty failed. Time expired. They went up there because we have a bounty on them and they're safe up there.
They are, bitches.
That's why. Let's, it's Evil Joe. What's his name? The other one? Evil Joe?
Meow
and...
645. Well, they're done because they still have medallion. We can still see them.
Yeah. Let's go get the bounty board over here, where they're at. Oh, they're looking at us. They see us.
You see them peeking? They're gliding to us. They're gliding to us.
Nah, they're going the other way now.
You sniping?
Yeah.
They're going to the
Going to the island. Let's get the storm forecast that they left.
Yeah, let's do it. I love that idea.
Oh man, I want to go with that fast. Go up ahead of me. Beat me.
I'm gonna clear it up there while you get the cart.
Yep.
It's clear up here. No, it's not.
What is that? You getting shot at?
Yeah.
I'm lagging. Good?
Yep.
Alright. Cool.
That's so freaking loud. My God. They're shooting right over here.
Accident. Ooh.
Oh, it's down here at the beach. They're shooting down here at the beach. You could probably hit some shots on them. I got our 6. They got over here fast because they took a car.
There's another one here. Oh! They're over here.
They're sniping at us. Careful, somebody was sniping over here.
Yep. That's who was shooting at us.
Alright, next circle. What's the plan?
We should go push that team at the island. They're not good.
You think
The
so?
other bounty team. Yes.
They're not there
They're not
anymore.
good.
They just dropped the medallion over here. Meow 6 eliminated Evil Joe.
What?
Meow 646 eliminated Evil Joe.
Interesting, because Evil Joe, the card that we took from the card that we took. Oh, we gotta go. The card that we took from the whatchamacallit, from the where we fought them at. We're gonna fly right over their heads. At the first storm forecast tower.
They're right here.
There. Yep. Don't mark. I know, Ben. Don't. If you
sorry.
mark, you're gonna lose your height. No, it's okay. You just lose your distance if you point down. Oh, look at the earthquake. It's about to crack.
Oh, that's crazy. There's smoke coming out of the earthquake.
Yeah, where are we going right now? Because I'm
Top of this hill. Yeah, me too. We're kind of out of the circle, but that's okay, because for the new circle, we just have to move in a little bit more.
Let's go over here to Ruin Real, so we don't have to...
Alright.
Somewhere down here.
Over here somewhere, for the next circle.
Right here where I'm at should be good.
I'm down below on your right.
Alright. Dang, look at that. Look at that. Let's
Holy
go.
crap. Next circle's over here.
Yeah, Frost Springs.
So should we push
no,
to,
really.
like, over here somewhere?
Yeah, let's go. But keep cover, don't... Like, let's stay to the right of everything.
I'm using the storm line.
Nice.
That's a mountainous spot right there. I don't see any medallions. We need a good spot so that the next circle is going to be over here somewhere.
Yeah, I think we're in that good spot right now. Let's go back. Back. Oh, wait. It's 2v2v2.
Is it? Okay, so we have the medallion. Oh, I'm getting sniped at from the hill over here.
Yep, top of the hill.
They're gonna push us.
They're coming this way. They're trying to snipe me.
I'm right here.
I need to reposition.
They cracked me pretty good.
I repositioned.
They're coming this way.
You see them still?
Yeah, they're over here.
Alright.
They gotta push us.
Where exactly are they right now? I don't see them at all.
I'm looking.
We got a team pushing us. Medallion up close. Right here. They're grapple blading onto us.
Where?
Right here. Oh, not onto us. They're going...
We got a bot over here. We got a team over here. They're fighting.
Fight the ones up top.
Where? Up top where?
Well, my marker. Oh.
They're all over there.
Everyone's just sniping right now.
Oh, they're getting shot at from up here, babe.
Listen, I got a lock on pistols, so let's let them get close to us.
Babe, there's somebody in this bush right here.
Okay, good to know. Yep, I see him.
$110 on the dude at the bush.
Oh, he cracked me. I need to heal. Oh no.
I cracked him for 110.
Oh no. I need to heal, babe. I'm pushing this house.
Alright. I'm with you.
man, I need to heal.
Right here. Flowberry and vegetables. Come on.
This your turret?
Yeah.
Thank you. Alright, let's get back to where
Height.
we were.
Get height. Babe, I got somebody grappling behind me.
Yep. I'm in this bush. Oh man, use the map. They're both on the other side of the circle, but they gotta push us, so. Oh man, I don't like being in this situation with my lock-on pistol.
How many teams?
3. 2v1.
I'm gonna throw a turret to the other side of this house.
Oh, they're across. They're over there. Oh,
I don't see them,
someone's
man.
on the bridge. Someone's on the bridge. They're shooting from across to the bridge. You got
There's
sniper
somebody
ammo for me?
grappling behind us. Somebody's grappling behind us. Yeah, here.
Thank you.
Somebody's grappling behind us.
Okay. I'm reloaded. I don't know what you mean by behind, because
I heard a grapple like over here in this direction.
Solo's right here. Oh no, there's a duo right here.
Let's kill the duo. So that means the solo's behind us. I'm here grappling and I don't know where it is.
They're right here.
I'm hearing a lot of stuff. I have no idea what's happening.
They're fighting over here, man.
You with me?
Yeah.
I got footsteps.
Footsteps. On me. He's low. Let's go. Good job. Footsteps, more footsteps coming this way. Right here. Good game. Let's go. Whee! Wow. There was a crazy delay and I just watched your whole fight on the iPad. That was